So guys, it's PPI today, and I know many of you are searching through the whole social media to actually find PPI direction. But then worry you not, because in this video I'll be showing you everything, how to analyze PPI and how to actually find the actual direction. Without wasting any time, please make sure you click the subscribe button and watch till the end. Check this out, boys. Welcome to the flip side, guys. So guys, we'll first start in Nasdaq, guys, and we'll just be focusing on this high right here and this low right here, guys. Now this is your supply. Just draw and mark this one as your supply, just like this, and then mark this one as your resistance, just like this, right? And now just draw a trend line like so from up here and just drag it down like this and just drag it down to look like this, guys. So now draw a line where price touched our trend line. We have a touch over here. Oh, sorry about that, guys. We have a touch over here, we have a touch over here, and now just mark this one as your support and mark the other one as your support, just like this. Now what I'm saying is the market is actually failing to break above our trend line, right? So just draw. Now that we have a resistance right here, or should I say a supply, right? The only thing you need to do now is from this support down here, just draw a trend line going like this, guys. Right? And what I see now, since the market is failing to break this resistance right here, right? So what I see is the market will be going down like this and actually breaking our trend line and probably going to this low or that low right there, guys, between the two. But like, I see the market as selling opportunities today, guys. So we are resisting at the end of the day. If we can go down to our 15 minutes time frame just to confirm the sells, right? So if I were to confirm the sells, I would do this, guys. I would do this, right? And just mark this one as what I have currently, which is support, right? So if you can just draw a trend line going like this, because we will be focusing on trend line break. You can clearly see that the trend line is actually broken. You understand what I'm saying? The trend line is actually broken. Or we can even do it like this to confirm it. If like you saw something else, I see it too. Trust me, I see it too. This is what I see. And obviously the market broke below our trend line, so it gives us more confidence to say Nasdaq will be selling. So I'll be entering right here and my take profit all the way up here on top of this resistance, right? And then I'll just drag it down like this. This is what I see. Now let's go on US30. Let's go on US30, guys. This is an old analysis, right? So I'm gonna just delete everything. So we will be focusing in the 1 hour time frame. Well, US30 is not that complicated. What I see is, check this out, guys. You'll you will focus on this playground right here, the movement that happened inside our two white lines, right? So this is your supply, and this is your demand, just like this. and now draw a beautiful trend line from here, adding this touch, and then just drag it down like this and drag it like this. Now you can clearly see that we need a touch at the bottom of our trend line, right? So let's just zoom in and check where are we actually reversing, or what to expect, right? So on US30, guys, what I see is this. Let me just do it like this. Draw a line where price touched our trend line. We have a line over here, and we have a line at the bottom right here, but I will just add this one as our line, so I wouldn't really bother much about that line. So we have one line. Let's just add other lines by drawing right here and drawing on this low right here. On this low right here, guys. So this is actually supply or resistance. Let me check. We still haven't broken above that line, and then this is our resistance. I won't draw that one because the market is too far from that point. But then judging by my analysis, guys, by my analysis, I feel like we will be touching down there. We'll be touching down somewhere here on the bottom of our trend line. So right now we are resisting this point right here, but the market might be buying until up here, and then it starts the selling opportunities. But then now that I know where the market is going on PPI, I'll just take myself and kill, just like this, guys. So let's go down to gold and just delete everything. Same like US30, guys. On gold, we will focus on this low right here. Oh, must I add the other one? Let me just nah, I won't add one. I won't add that one. And right here, guys, this is my playground right here, just like this, just like this. And now just draw a trend line from here, drag it up like this, and then just drag it up so it looks like this. Let me just fix it. So just drag it down so it looks like this, and now draw a line where price touched our trend line. We have a line over here and we have a line over there, right? And now what I see is, let me just fix this one because it's one line going like this. Let me just do this. It's one line going like this, right? So now what I see is the market will be selling, because if the market breaks a trend line, it will obviously go where the trend line started, and we started our trend line here. So obviously when the market breaks our trend line, it's obviously going where the trend line started, right? So it's a sell on gold. But what I see is, let me just delete this. What I see is, I feel like the market is actually retesting the fact that it broken below this trend line. It has to reset, because this is a diagonal support, right? This was a diagonal support, and we broken below that support, and now we need to come back up and actually retest, making it a resistance before we shoot for more selling opportunities. And right now what I see is the market is actually coming to this high right here, guys. If you can just draw a line right here, you can clearly see that the market might be retesting, just like this impulse retest. You know what I'm saying? Just like this impulse retest. So it's doing it again, impulse retest, right? So I think on gold I'll be entering up here, putting my take profit all the way down here, and my stop loss up here, guys. So this is what I have for you guys on PPI. I feel like sell everything on PPI. We are selling on PPI, my brothers. That's basically it, guys. That's what I see on PPI. I feel like the market will be selling on PPI since on the other news events we had a buy. Then we ain't go focus more on that now that we got the direction. But then, guys, if you want to see how I trade PPI, please make sure you click the subscribe button because there's more videos where that came from. And make sure you click the link in my description to join my free signal group, guys. But then, till we meet again, it's your boy, it's your mentor, Curtis the Snipe, signing out.